Hey y'all, it's Crystal from Triple C Creations Crafting here in North Georgia, and I have been just crafting away today. So I made a video where I made a bag to travel with and craft with. So I've got my bag, I've got my paper cutter, my clipboard, my silicone mats, my work surface. I'll link that video down below. And when I did that, I took a paper pad. It was actually the Spring Fling paper pad, and I chopped it up. Pretty much the whole paper pad. There was a couple of sheets I left out, but my original plan was to do, I cut 20 card fronts from that. They were A1 size, and then I used what was left off those card fronts, and I made some ephemera, some flags, some flowers, and things like that. And I put everything into a bag, gathered up some washi tape that matched, and the cut aparts from the paper pad, and some other stickers and things that I had, and I put it all in a quart bag and put it in my travel bag. And I haven't traveled yet, but I did take it like out of my craft room, and I could lay on the bed and make cards because I had everything I needed in one place. I wasn't having to get up and go get something. I stuck to what I had. I take that back. I did use my art glitter glue. I did not put my art glitter glue in my travel bag to start with because it is temperature sensitive, but I did use it for these cards. And I have made all my cards. And I actually originally I cut 20 card bases, I had 20 card bases and cut 20 card fronts. But then I ended up thinking, I need to restock my card sets, and I do those in sets of 6. So why don't I just go ahead and do 24 cards? So I got 4 more card bases. So I made 24 cards. Did not even cut any more card fronts because I was able to use scraps to make the additional cards. And let me show you what I have left. So I did have the paper pads, or the papers from the paper pad, and then I had added some solids. I actually had a pink, a yellow, a green, a blue, a white, and a gold. So I had those, and this is what I've got left. And then this is the scraps. There's not a whole lot. There's some ephemera in here. Some go with the paper pad, and some were from other collections that that did match, I thought. So this is all that's left. No like large paper pieces of the pad. There's maybe a tag size, but that's it. So I've made 24 cards, and I am going to be packaging them in sets of 6. So I'm going to do just a flip through. When I did the cards, these are, remember, A1 size cards, which is about 5 by 3.5. I added embellishments to the inside and also to the envelope at the same time. So I'm going to go through, and I'm going to flip through all these real quick. I'm going to try to put it on double speed or something. I don't know how to play music to it, sorry. But I'll go through those, and then I will cut it, and I will show you what they look like once they are packaged. Because I did make some tags in addition to the cards. I did make 4 tags for the 4 sets. So when I package them, I'll go ahead and add those gift tags, and they will be ready to give. All right, so check out my cards. Okay, so here are the finished sets. I have 4 sets of 6 cards. So there they are, all tied up with their matching gift tag. I kind of picked what was on the front to be something that would match the tag. And this was such a fun project. And let me show you these. After I made all these cards, this is the scraps I had. Like, this is it. From the card kit, this is the trash. So I'm pretty excited. I'm going to file this ephemera back with my other ephemera since I'm done with the paper pad, and I'm ready to start on another one. Hope you enjoyed this. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you've not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, and I will link the original video where I chopped up this paper pad in the description box. See you next time.